Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat alone at night, phone in your hand, scrolling through other people's lives, and thought, man, I'm so far behind. Behind in money, behind in confidence, behind in life. But here's the part nobody talks about. Some of the strongest comebacks in the world happen in complete silence. No announcements, no motivational quotes, no new me posts, just quiet progress. And today, I'm going to show you how to rebuild your life like that. Without pressure, without attention, without anyone knowing. Because truth is, you don't need applause to change your life. You need a plan and patience. Let's talk about it. Most people rebuild their life out loud. They tell everyone, I'm starting tomorrow. I'm changing. I'm grinding now. And at first, it feels good. You get likes, encouragement, support. But then, 2 weeks later, nothing changed. Motivation is gone. Energy is gone. And now you feel embarrassed. So you quit. Silent rebuilding is different. When you work in silence, there's no pressure, no expectations, no audience. It's just you versus you. And that's where real change happens. Because now, you're not doing it for attention. You're doing it because you're tired of staying stuck. First step, stop attacking yourself. Seriously, if you're behind right now, financially, mentally, emotionally, that doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Maybe you procrastinated. Maybe you wasted time. Maybe you made bad choices. So what? Beating yourself up won't fix it. It only makes you tired before you even start. Instead, say this is where I am, not where I'll stay. That's it. No drama, no self-hate, just honesty. Because you can't rebuild a house while screaming at the foundation. Most people want big changes. More money, better body, more confidence, better life. But they ignore the small stuff. Your life is built on your daily routine, not your dreams. So start here. How do you wake up? Do you grab your phone immediately? Scroll for 40 minutes? Feel tired before the day even starts? That matters. How do you eat? How do you sleep? How do you spend your evenings? That matters too. You don't need a perfect routine. You need a simple one. For example, wake up, drink water, make your bed, move your body for 5 minutes. Plan one important task. That's it. Small habits. Every day, that's how silent rebuilds begin. This is the hardest part. Doing the work when nobody cares. No likes, no comments, no praise. Just you and the grind. Studying after work, learning skills at night, saving money quietly, exercising alone, reading when others are partying. This is where most people quit, because it feels invisible. But invisible work creates visible results later. Think of it like planting seeds. You don't clap for seeds. You water them, in silence. And months later, you get fruit. Be patient with your process. If you want to rebuild your life, you have to be careful who you listen to. Not everyone wants you to win. Some people love the old you, the broke you, the unmotivated you, the always available you. And when you change, they feel uncomfortable. So they say things like, why are you acting different? Relax, life is short. You're doing too much. Be careful. You don't need to explain yourself. Silence is protection. Less talking, less posting, less explaining, more working, more learning, more growing. Quietly. Confidence doesn't come from motivation. It comes from proof. Keeping promises to yourself. Like, I'll wake up early. And you do. I'll study for 30 minutes. And you do. I'll stop wasting money. And you do. Each small win says, I can trust myself. And that changes everything. You start walking differently, thinking differently, dreaming bigger. Not because you're hyped, because you earned it. Let's be honest. Social media messes with our minds. You see people your age, buying houses, traveling, winning, and you think, what am I doing with my life? But you don't see their struggles, their failures, their support system, their timing. You only see highlights. Comparison kills silent growth. Focus on your lane, your pace, your journey, your comeback. Slow progress is still progress. Let me be real with you. Some days, you won't feel motivated. Some days, you'll want to quit. Some days, you'll feel like nothing is working. That's normal. That's part of rebuilding. On those days, don't think big. Think small. Just do one thing. One workout. One page. One task. One good choice. That's enough. Momentum comes back. It always does. So let's recap. If you want to rebuild your life in silence, accept where you are. Fix your daily routine. Work when no one is watching. Protect your energy. Build confidence with small wins. Stop comparing. Stay consistent on hard days. That's the formula. No hype. No shortcuts, no attention needed, just quiet discipline. And here's my challenge to you tonight. Before you sleep, choose one small habit that moves your life forward. Just one. And do it tomorrow. No announcement, no post, no excuses, just you. Let's grow quietly. And one day, they'll see the results without knowing how hard you worked for them.